getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bray. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a face mask. This is the OMG 4-in-1 Kit Zone System Mask. So this is a 4-part face mask, which is pretty cool. So this retails for $7 on ultabeauty.com. It says it's online only. Okay, so it says this mask kit is an innovative and multifunctional mask kit that targets all areas over the face while improving the overall skin appearance. So step 1 is the iZone 24K Gold Eye Patch. So this patch is a soft hydrogel patch that nourishes the delicate skin under the eyes, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet to achieve firmer, revitalized, and youthful looking eyes. That is step 1. Step 2 is the T-Zone Charcoal Clay Mask. So this deeply cleanses, detoxifies, and reduces the appearance of pores, which I need that on my cheeks. Step 3 is the U-Zone. It is a kaolin clay mask. It revitalizes the skin and helps tighten and tone. And then step 4 is a moisturizing finishing cream. So it is formulated with advanced hydration active technology. Rich hydrating ingredients will leave skin restored, replenished, and hydrated. You know, sometimes when you just feel like your skin is super oily or dirty and you just need to put a mask on and relax a little bit. I went through my little bin with all of my face masks in it and I found this one. So like I said, it was $7 for a one-time use mask. So I'm just gonna go in. Right here is step 1. Oh, that's nice. So they all rip apart. So it only has 2 reviews, but both of them are 5 stars. So I mean, at least the 2 people that tried it liked it. Okay, so step 1, these are the eye masks, the under eye gel masks. I still kind of have my sick voice. It's very annoying, I know. Ooh, these stick to the skin really nicely. Like they just stick on there. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off. That's nice, I like that. Yeah, I like how much they feel like they're just stuck to my skin, like they're not gonna fall. That is nice. Sometimes I feel like gel masks are so heavy that they're like constantly like sliding down and you're having to reposition them. These feel very lightweight. Okay, so then step 2 is the T-Zone Charcoal Clay Mask. Charcoal clay masks are my favorite, and I love charcoal clay masks. There's this really good one from Walgreens. I think it's like $3.65 Beauty, and it's like in a gray tube, and I think it's like $4 for the whole tube. I love that one so much. It's so good. But yeah, I really love charcoal clay masks. I feel like they really help pull out all my oils. So it's saying to put it here and all over my entire forehead. Okay, so then this is part 3, which is the U-Zone kaolin. I don't know if that's how you say it. This just feels like any clay mask, really. This mask is like, look at how thick that is. Oh my god, this is so thick. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to spread that out. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like on. It took a minute. It took me quite a while to get it all on, but down here is a light pink, like salmon color, and it's just kind of a cool face mask if you like trying like weird different face masks. This is just kind of a cool idea. So this says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Usually I leave on my face masks for a while, but I'll probably leave it on for about 20 minutes. It is currently 1:57, so I will see you guys in about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it is 2:16 and has almost been 20 minutes. This is what the face masks look like. You can see right here where there was like, I couldn't spread it evenly because it was so thick. It isn't dry yet, but this is what it's looking like. It looks all cracked. Feels very comfortable. The pink mask, this one, smells so good, and these haven't moved at all. They have not moved 1 centimeter, so I really like these under eye masks. I wonder if you can buy these on their own, because I really like just how they feel. Obviously when I take them off I'll be able to see if they did anything. My eyes have been so puffy. Like I said, I've been sick for like 3 weeks. I had bronchitis and my eyes were so puffy. I've been so tired, it's ridiculous. And as you can tell, my voice is still not all the way back yet. But I am gonna go wash off the face mask and I will be right back and we'll see how my skin looks. Alright, so I just washed off that face mask. It was pretty easy to wash off. The pink side was easier to wash off than the charcoal one, but they both came off really easily, which is nice because I hate when you get like a super thick face mask and you have to like sit there and scrub and scrub and scrub to get it off, and you have to be like really rough sometimes with it. So my skin feels so clean right now. Oh, it feels so nice. Right here, I was noticing that my pores actually look smaller, which I don't ever think that I see a difference in my pores with most of the masks that I've tried. I kind of wish that I would have brought the mask up higher right here, because I see a big difference right here, but I don't think I really got it right there. You can see I had a breakout right here, a little one right here. I have this big freaking zit on my eyebrow, and it is so painful, and you can't do anything about it. And now it looks like this eyebrow's all funky, but yeah, my skin feels really nice. I really liked those eye masks. Yeah, my skin feels really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna use part 4, the moisture finishing cream. Just says to gently massage it into your skin. It's supposed to leave your skin restored, replenished, and hydrated. I feel like there's a lot of, that was a lot, and there's still more in there. Oh, I feel like I put way too much on. This is what my skin looks like. I think it feels really nice. Oh, good. That's like, it's like really absorbing into the skin. I put way too much on, so I was afraid it was gonna be like chilling on top of my skin. You know when you put moisturizer on and you can like feel it just like sitting on your skin? That's what I thought this was gonna do, but it already feels really absorbed. Yeah, I really liked that face mask. I like face masks like that. I like trying new ones. This one I just thought was cool because it was like a 4-step face mask, and you had the 2 separate clay masks, and then you also had the moisturizer and under eye gel. So that was pretty cool. I really liked it. We'll see if it like breaks me out or does anything crazy, but my skin feels really good right now, so that was cool. Let me know if any of you guys have tried this mask before, or what some of your favorite kind of weird masks are that you have tried in the past. I would love to know so that I can pick up some new ones to try out. So that is everything for this video today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.